In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print QuickBooks invoices. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to locate the right invoice, and the best way to print it or save it as a PDF for later. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and looking at the left-hand navigation. Click Sales, then choose All Sales. This page brings together every type of sales transaction, estimates, sales receipts, and invoices. So it's the perfect place to manage what you send to customers. Going here first keeps everything organized and ensures you're looking at the most up-to-date records. Next, narrow the list to just invoices. Use the filter and select invoices so you're not sifting through other transaction types. You can use the search box, sort by date, customer, or status, and look for the specific invoice you want to print. When you see it, click the invoice to open it. This opens the full invoice view where you can double-check details like the customer information, invoice date, items or services, taxes, and the balance due. Taking a moment to verify accuracy now saves you from reprinting later. When you're ready, look for the print or preview option on the invoice. Click it, then choose print. The preview shows you exactly how the invoice will look on paper. Scan the header, your company details, the customer address, line items, subtotals, and totals to confirm everything appears correctly. If something looks off, close the preview, make your edits on the invoice, and open the preview again before printing. When the preview looks good, proceed to print. Your browser or system print dialog will open so you can select your printer, choose the number of copies, and adjust settings like color versus black and white. If the printout looks too small or gets cut off, set the scale to fit to page or 100%, and make sure the orientation is set correctly, usually portrait. If you prefer a digital copy, choose to download as a PDF from the same print or preview area, then print from your PDF viewer. Saving a PDF is handy for emailing clients, keeping backups, or ensuring the layout stays consistent across different printers. After downloading, open the file, confirm it looks right, and print it as you normally would. That's all there is to it. Go to Sales and All Sales, filter to find your invoice, then use Print or Preview to print directly or download a PDF first. Follow these steps anytime you need a clean, professional copy of your QuickBooks invoice.